Now filming, Austin. You look really good right now.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome.
He's growing up, Mom.
I know, right? Okay. Okay, you have to speak clearly and loud.
I'll enunciate.
And don't peek. There's a paper.
It's on the other.
Yeah. You want me to cover it for you? Let me see.
It's upside down.
It's upside down.
It's upside down, Austin.
Oh.
Can't peek early.
Wait, hold water.
Austin, you're holding your paper upside down.
I can't tell. I'm not supposed to look at it.
Did you see?
She's just cheating.
No, I don't know. That's not. Oh, that's the page.
It's the page right there.
Okay.
Yeah, that's.
So yeah, you're gonna go like this.
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
Somebody's shaking. Dear Elder Lamb, you are hereby called to serve as a missionary of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. You are hereby assigned to labor in the Zimbabwe.
What? That is not true.
You should report to the South Africa Missionary Training Center on Thursday, November 17th, 2016. You are prepared to preach the gospel in the English language.
Austin, say it again.
Zimbabwe Harada Mission.
Okay, tell your family you love them.
Hi family, I love you.